How to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. First of all, let's open your web browser and log into your HubSpot account. Once you are in, you will find yourself on the dashboard. Now from the top menu, navigate to the App Market and click on it. Then from this menu, select Apps. It will redirect you to the Shopify app library. Once it opens, you can explore to find the Shopify app. Once you find it, click on it to open it on the screen and next click on Install App. A new pop-up will appear on the screen where you need to click on Next to connect the account. Here you need to enter your store subdomain, or you can click on Login to your Shopify store to find your domain. From the URL, copy the following text only, then go back to the HubSpot website, paste this domain in the box and click on Connect to Shopify to sync data. It will open Shopify store in a new tab where you need to click on the Install App button to complete the integration process. Next, click on Continue the setup. And that's it. This is how you can integrate HubSpot with Shopify. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.